Eonnie Dear, and in this video I'm just gonna be playing around in my makeup and just having a chill moment with you guys. This video I'm just playing in my makeup palette, and I'm just doing a little rainbow look. Not too hard, not too complicated, just putting color wherever I feel like and putting glitter wherever I feel like and making it a look boo. That's it. But also I just wanted to talk to you about me and who I am, what's my brand. As you know already, my name is Dear. I love to say that I am your Eonnie. So as you already know, if you don't already know, I admire and I love Korean culture. I was introduced to Korean culture through K-dramas, just watching it over and over, looking at the girls, looking at the makeup. Then came K-pop. Their music and their style, I just love how their music is it's just so cute, and it's just so I wouldn't say all innocent, but it's just refreshing. So I was also introduced to Korean culture because of my skin. I wanted to find a way to better take care of my skin because I have eczema and severely dry skin. And since I had a terrible breakout a few years back, I basically wanted to figure out how can I better take care of my skin. And then I stumbled across the 10-step Korean skincare routine. Now this just, I don't even know, I just loved everything about it. I learned a lot about what type of skin I have, how to better take care of it, which led me to K-beauty, and just the soft and subtle ways of making yourself look better and making yourself feel better, but not just by covering it, but by taking care of yourself and taking care of you, and just, you know, I don't know how to explain it. It's just like you just take better care of yourself, you'll feel better and you'll look better, and you won't need all of this makeup to, you know, make you feel a certain way. You'll always feel that way even without it, you know? So that's what Korean culture, Korean beauty, Korean skincare has really taught me, and I really just love everything about the culture. So also that is why I call myself Eonnie, because I always say I am your big sis, love your big sis, love your Eonnie Dear. So that's where I got that from, and I just was like, you know what, if I'm gonna do this, this is my brand, this is what I like, this is how I'm feeling. I figured why not just call myself Big Sister Dear. So Eonnie Dear was what I chose to use as my name for my platform. Also, if you want to know what I am I'm from New York City. My parents are from a small island in the West Indies called Trinidad and Tobago. It's off the coast of Venezuela. Just a small island in the West Indies. And let me tell you, I love my culture more than anything else. I do love Korean culture, but being a Trinidadian is just, you know, my culture is why I can embrace other cultures. In Trinidad, we have so many different kinds of people. We have Indians, we have, well, Hindi, I should say. We have more Hindi people. We have a lot of Asians in Trinidad. We have a lot of Spanish. We have basically a mix of everything. So me liking another culture doesn't seem like off to me, because in my home of Trinidad and Tobago, we embrace everyone. We love everyone. The more the merrier is how, we think of it. So that's why I'm so comfortable with calling myself Eonnie, and learning about the different Korean foods and different things in Korea, and how people interact, and how they treat their elderlies, and how it's kind of similar with smaller Caribbean islands, how we treat each other. And I just feel like, why not? Why not embrace another culture? Why not learn about it if you're interested in it? I don't see nothing wrong with it. So yeah, that's just basically who I am. I love my Trinidadian soca music, reggae, calypso, and I love K-pop, R&B. I love, obviously, American music. It's just all about learning for me, and just appreciating other people. So yeah, I mean, that's just me. I'm also, if you want to get to know me a little more, I was born 1994, so I'm 26, and I am an Aries. I was born March 30th. So any Aries out there, big up to the Aries. Love all astrology signs, but Aries is better. But anyways, yeah. I don't know what else to say. If you want, I don't mind talking to people. You can talk to me on YouTube. You can talk to me on my Instagram. You can talk to me on my Twitter. It's all the same. Eonnie Dear. Everything's the same. You can look me up anywhere. And we can get to know, learn through each other and everything. This is why I do this. I want to be someone's big sister. I want to be, just someone people can look up to and talk to. And as I always say, always dare to be. Just remember to always dare to be. All right? So see you guys later. This is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye. See ya.